Chiliz is a computerized money for tokenizing sports and diversion. This is a blockchain innovation that permits you to make items for normal buyers. Chiliz was made by the Socios.com stage to permit fans to communicate all the more effectively with their number one groups. Cryptographic money gives fans the option to cast a ballot and the chance to partake in decision production for associations that join the Socios.com stage. Basic worth. Fan tokens are an authority crypto token that contains the marking of associate games groups. With the assistance of tokens, fans get the option to cast a ballot and the chance to take part in direction in regards to their number one groups. You can purchase fan tokens utilizing Chiliz tokens. Fans get extra pay through tokenization. Likewise, all groups that interface with the Socios.com stage get a level of the commission charged for exchanges. The initial two groups tokenized on the stage were the Paris Holy Person Germain and Juventus football clubs. Then some more joined. West Ham joined together, Associazione Sportiva Roma, Club Atlético de Madrid, as well as the Auga Sports Group. Ownership of extraordinary marked accomplice club fan tokens will likewise give fans admittance to select substance. Gamification, social associations, and competitor list includes that will be sent off during 2020. Chiliz is centered around genuine games as well as on virtual. The stage will turn into the foundation of the Worldwide Player Association. The GPL is a fan-driven, universally versatile esports association, made for the present gaming and esports people group, controlled by the Chiliz token. Casting a ballot rights bought for tokens are executed utilizing shrewd agreements that permit direct cooperation between GPL groups and their fans. Chiliz value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is $12 cents and CHC is buy and by position no. 49 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Chiliz is 6,649,111,577 CHC, with a market cap of $810,945,422.02. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, CHC has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 9.28%. Chiliz has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. Inside the last month, the cost of CHC has diminished by 11.67%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of 1 cent from its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it very well may be a decent purchasing and open door for speedy speculation. Chiliz Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Chiliz costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Chiliz will be 16 cents. The greatest level that the CHC cost can reach is 19 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 17 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment. 53.8% by CHZ value figure for January 2023. In light of the value variances of Chiliz toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 12 cents in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 11 cents and at 12 cents. Separately, February 2023 Chiliz value forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the CHZ cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 12 cents, while the greatest could reach 13 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around 12 cents. CHZ value estimate for WAC 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value changes of Chiliz in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal CHZ rate they foresee may be around 13 cents in WAC 2023. It can drop to 12 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 13 cents. April 2023 Chiliz value conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the CHZ cost will be exchanged at 13 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Chiliz worth to 14 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 13 cents in April 2023. CHZ value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Chiliz costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 14 cents. The most minimal and top CHZ rates may be 13 cents and 14 cents. June 2023 Chiliz value gauge. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the CHZ cost will be around 14 cents. In June 2023, the Chiliz cost might drop to at least 13 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 15 cents in June 2023. CHZ value conjecture for July 2023. Having broke down Chiliz costs, digital currency specialists expect that the CHZ rate could arrive at a limit of 16 cents in July 2023. it may, nonetheless, drop to 14 cents. For July 2023, the Guaj normal of Chiliz is almost 14 cents. August 2023, Chiliz value figure. Around mid-2022, the Chiliz cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 15 cents. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the CHZ cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 14 cents and 17 cents. CHZ value conjecture for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Chiliz worth won't dip under at least 15 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is 17 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 15 cents. October 2023, Chiliz value gauge. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of CHZ costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Chiliz will be around 18 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 15 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 16 cents. CHZ value estimate for November 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Chiliz toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 16 cents in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 16 cents and at 19 cents. Separately, December 2023, Chiliz value conjecture. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the CHZ cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 16 cents, while the greatest could reach 19 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around 17 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Chiliz in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Chiliz will be around 24 cents. The most extreme expected CHZ cost might be around 29 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 25 cents in 2023. Chiliz value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Chiliz, in 2024, CHZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 34 cents and 42 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 35 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Chiliz and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base CHZ cost could drop to 50 cents, while its greatest can reach 60 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 51 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Chiliz by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least CHZ costs are normal in 2026, 85 cents and 69 cents. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 71 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Chiliz. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical CHZ cost will be around $1.05. It could drop to at least $1.02. However, it actually could reach $1.20 all through 2027. Chiliz value forecast 2029. Consistently